Let me show you how to diagnose a check water probe alert on a humidifier that has a VaporLogic controller touchscreen display. Step 1 before any troubleshooting is to put the humidifier in standby mode to keep it from starting up. The water level probe assembly is located inside the tank, and the probes are inside of a cup. Here's a probe assembly with the cup removed. For this demonstration, the yellow wire establishes a path to ground on the tank. We will look first at the water level indicator when the probes are properly wired. Watch the indicator on the screen as the probes contact water. Shown now is no water. Water touches the low probe, then the middle probe, so the tank is full. The top probe, the shortest, is for sensing foam or high water and does not have a corresponding indicator on the display. You can verify the function of all three probes by watching the probe LEDs on the board. It's a very small area, so we'll get in close. There is an LED for each probe, and they light up in order from low to mid to high as contact is made. You can also test the system circuitry by removing the plug from the probe housing and grounding all three pins to the top of the tank. It will show full. Another thing to check is that the rods are in the correct order on the probe body. Here's how you check. Orient the probe assembly so the word top is at the 12 o'clock position. Then rotate the assembly so you can see the side profile of the probes. The probes form stair steps, with the long probe as the bottom step. If everything else checks out and you still get a check water probe alert, it's likely that the probe assembly is miswired on the controller board. Comparing the wiring diagram to the plug wires here, we determined that the red and white wires are reversed, which is what triggered this check water probe alert. To fix this, move the wires to their proper locations. The correct order on this plug is red, white, black, green. Now we can see the levels register in the correct order. And that's how the water level control functions and how to diagnose a check water probe alert on a humidifier that has a VaporLogic controller touchscreen display.